In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the no Wi-Fi icon on your PC. Now, if you come here to Device Manager and you open up your network right here, if you don't see any sort of Wi-Fi, if you only have the Ethernet, as I have right here, that means you need a Wi-Fi adapter. Now you can just Google Wi-Fi adapter. It's like a little USB port that you put into your PC and it costs like $20. And when you put it into the PC, your PC will be able to join a Wi-Fi network. So if you don't have any sort of Wi-Fi in here, you'll have to do that. However, if you see the Wi-Fi in here, but you cannot join it down here, what you need to do is right click on the Wi-Fi. Then you want to update the driver and then you want to try and restart your PC. Otherwise, what you should try and do is you should come down here and search for View, Network Connections. Try and find the Wi-Fi in here. As you can see, I only have the Ethernet, but find the Wi-Fi in here. Then you want to right click on it, disable, and then right click enable and see if that works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.